This is the Commotion puzzle, and I will show you how to solve it in a minute. The goal of this puzzle is to remove this red piece from the frame, but you're not allowed to lift it since it's a sliding puzzle. You have to slide it out of the frame through this tiny opening. But here's a twist. The opening is blocked by these 4 Wenge parts, and it looks totally impossible. The Commotion puzzle was designed by Tyler Hudson and made by Pelican. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And if you like this puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I will try to show you how to solve the puzzle. So to remove the red piece, you can actually remove the parts just to make sure you can remove the piece from the frame, like it's a sliding puzzle, so you have to slide it out through this opening, and as you can see, you can easily do it when there are no other parts inside. But when you put all the parts inside the frame, you will see that they are blocking the exit, and it seems totally impossible. But if you try to rearrange the parts, you will see that they move quite nicely inside the frame. You can put this piece here, this goes here, then actually it is a little bit easier for me to solve like that. Then you can rotate this piece, put it down. You can rotate these 2 parts as well and move them right here, for example. Like I can even rotate it here and rotate the parts like that. Then I can move it up here. Then this piece can be rotated as well. I have to lift it up. Wait a second, it is not that easy as you can see, so you have to find all the correct moves in order to rotate the parts. Maybe rotation of these 2 was a little bit too soon and I had to do it in a different way. No, actually it works. Now you rotate this piece and move it up here. This piece moves here. The next part is quite tricky since it is very tight and you have to find the correct spot to do the correct move. So these 2 have to be rotated like that. Then this goes up. You have to rotate this piece and rotate these 2 parts. Like it gives you lots of space here, but it is still not enough to remove the piece. And now when you rotate this part, put it here, this goes up. You can move these 2 parts, and now you can easily slide out the red piece. And that is how you solve the Commotion puzzle. Quite an interesting solution and quite a difficult one since you have to do a lot of tricky rotations. If you like the Commotion puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.